M25 traffic light motorway closed. Driver stuck an hour in the car. Snowfall in Germany for the first time in Seville Hostline on evening. The federal state further north before descending into Berlin and Brandenburg. Temperature will drop below freezing over the weekend, meaning much of the northern Germany will see it first of schmuddle weather, including light snowfalls and sleet. Caused by the wind then move further south, crossing Saxony, Enheiar, Saxony and Thuringia. Snow and sleet will pass on the national park in the Harz Mountains, the Thuringian Forest and Over Mountain, which passed on the border of Germany in the Czech Republic. Due to strengthening in the wind, temperature will be fast lower from -5 to -10 degrees. Drivers were reportedly stuck in freezing temperature for hours after heavy snow closed part of M25 motorway. The woman say she was stuck in a freezing car with a seriously ill mother for more than 3 hours and claimed there was no sign and sound on the motorway and snowing quickly on Sunday.